8. Debt. It's amazing how casual many people are about what God says. For example, we read in Romans 13:8, "Owe no man anything but to love one another." This means that debt-free living should be the believer's way of life. Of course, at times necessity leads to debt, but we are not to go into long-term debt. Debts are to be for no more than a 6-year span, Deuteronomy 15:1. Before World War II, in many parts of the United States, mortgages were for 5 years only. What would obedience to the law or commandment do? For one thing, together with a debased currency or money, long-term debt is the key cause of inflation. It means we are spending future income today, and we are paying a heavy rate of interest for it. Homeowners today are commonly paying $10 in interest for each dollar paid on the principal. Debt living is closely tied to covetousness, whereas we are told that godliness with contentment is great gain, 1 Timothy 6:6. Too many young couples are not content unless they start life with a better house and better furnishings than their parents ever had. We are to live, our Lord makes clear, by every word that proceedeth out of the mouth of God, Matthew 4:4. God's, quote, every word has something to say about your use of money.